The Thirsty Crow. It was a hot summer day. The sun was shining brightly in the sky, and the heat was unbearable. All the animals and the birds were feeling tired and thirsty. In a small village far from the city, there lived a clever and hardworking crow. One afternoon, the crow felt very thirsty. He had been flying for hours in search of water. His throat was dry and his wings were weak. He flew over the houses, trees, and fields, but there was no sign of water anywhere. Still, the crow did not give up. He knew he had to find water soon or he might fall down from the sky. As he flew further, he finally saw a garden. He quickly flew down to rest under the shade of a tree. While resting, he noticed something shining in the corner of the garden. He went closer and saw a clay pot placed under a bush. "Water," he said happily and rushed to the pot. When he looked inside the pot, he saw a little bit of water at the bottom. He tried to drink it, but his beak could not reach the water. The pot was deep and the water was too low. The crow became sad and sat on the pot, thinking what to do next. Then, an idea came to his clever mind. He looked around and saw many small stones lying nearby. He picked up one stone with his beak and dropped it into the pot. Then he picked up another stone and dropped that in too. He kept doing this again and again. With each stone, the water level in the pot began to rise. The crow was happy to see his idea working. He continued to drop more stones into the pot patiently. Finally, the water came close to the top. The crow was now able to drink the water easily. He drank the cool water happily and felt fresh again. His thirst was gone and he felt strong enough to fly again. He looked at the pot, smiled, and flew away into the blue sky. Moral of the story: where there is a will, there is a way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.